With Dashup, you can even build your own CRM system. So no need for any other platform anymore. And if we take a look in the template library, again, you can build your own application yourself, but you can also use one of these templates. So if we go into sales, you will have your sales CRM, your sales assets, competitor analysis, task management, but let's go for the sales CRM. So let's import this and let's see how this looks like. So this is the overview of the sales CRM. So we have the backlog, the leads, the contacted, the meeting scheduled, proposal delivered. And this is the customer overview. So let's create a new customer so we can have a closer look. So we have the assigned employees. So we could assign somebody to this particular lead. We can say it's a lead, we have contacted them, meeting scheduled, proposal delivered, won or lost. So let's start off with a lead. Company could be PitchGround, key contact name, let's say that's Mark, and let's do the email, job title, you have the phone number, so let's say, and as you can see, if you put in the correct LAN code, you will also automatically get the flag of the country itself. And you can provide an alternate phone number, estimated deal size, so for example, let's say $1,500. You can add a website, last contacted, source, expected close date. You can input everything basically, and you can, from the source itself, you can collect all the different kinds of sources you have implemented inside your sales CRM. So for example, let's say this is a Facebook lead, and then press submit. And let's see how this looks like on the sales CRM. So as you can see, a lead has now been made. Again, you can just have an overview of the entire lead. As you can see here, you can input notes, last contacted and stuff like that, and then update this. And you can also move this to contacted, meeting scheduled, proposal delivered. And if you go a little bit down this road, you will see we can also set it to won and lost. Again, this is just a template to show you the possibilities, but you can build your CRM system inside of Dashup within just a few clicks and just pretty much eliminate any other platform you're using for this at this moment in time, and combine it with all your other project management tools like project management, product roadmap, inventory tracking, and you will have a complete overview of your entire business processes inside of one dashboard.